Welcome back to Wrench and Race. I'm Jay, this evening's host. It's John over there. And we got a few things to do today. We're waiting on the transmission shop of sorts to be ready to accept our transmission. So that's on a holding pattern. So we're gonna attempt to swap out the rotors in the front. We haven't ordered new pads yet, but those have to get put on. And then we gotta swap in the new rear coilovers, which Raceland was super nice about honoring our warranty. That's what we got going on today, as well as going to steal the headlights off the Golf at the roll cage shop. And we'll give you a little sneak peek at what the roll cage looks like. And then also, we're gonna work on the wing a little bit. That's a nice American flag there. So stay tuned. It's gonna be literally amazing. Probably life-changing, probably. Enjoy, stay tuned, like, subscribe, sign up your parents and your grandparents and your children. We need subscribers. Thanks, bye. All right, letting down. Coilovers on. We've got these attached, but here's where the best part of the whole process is. We have to push up those two retaining rings. That's the locking ring, and this is the ring that you have to set. Do we have these wrenches still?
Sure do.
So now the next part is screwing this ring up, and I have an idea. So we'll see if we can get that done a little easier than just trying to turn it by itself right now. All right, well that's it for the coilovers. I don't know where I ended up, but I'm completely over it. This is full extension. The height, I'm sure it'll compress and hit the fender flare, and we'll have to redo everything. But that's it for now, and we're on to something else. That right there is a new tap and drill set, well, the drill bits here, for an oil pan tap and die, tap and drill set. So our current hole in our baffled oil pan is a little compromised. We have some seepage. We had to retap it last year, and I feel, as well as Cooper, that the best thing to do right now is just to retap and just put a new oil pan plug on, right? So John, we're gonna drill this out. Let's do it. And that's how you do it. All right, now we gotta tap it. John, here's how you do that. I need a 3/8 driver. So the directions say to push this spring-loaded tap all the way in so that this stays flush with this surface. We just tap this, so it should be able to spin freely in there. Now we should be able to So right now we're going to take out the baffle so that we could see all of the pieces inside the oil pan and make sure we get all the oil pieces out of this. Oh, look at these little doors and stuff. I guess that's why they call it a baffled oil pan. So the oil comes on this side and comes in this door, and then if it sloshes to the right, it hits the door, it doesn't come out. Same on this side. It goes in this compartment where the oil pickup is, and then this part is where it goes in. Here's the oil pan, cleaned out. There's the new tap. Hard to see with this, but it should be great with one of the new screws. We can have a look. and it's magnetic. And there you go. New oil, pan, tap. And inside here, you get the magnetic action. So that's it. We're gonna put this on and I'm gonna take off. Cooper's gonna finish everything that we have to do before the next race. Like, subscribe, and thanks for watching. We appreciate it. Say goodnight, Rad. Good night, Rad.